Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Lisa and today I'm doing a chit chat, get ready with me. I'm not gonna do a long intro, so let's just get right into it. I guess I should start getting into the chit chat part. Let's see what's been going on with me. I started a new job, or I guess a job. I've actually been there for a minute now. I've been training mostly, and then 4th of July actually I started working by myself. So about a month now. I'm working in the hospital as a scribe. And if you don't know what that is, basically a scribe, we follow the physician or the PA, the NP around, and we basically chart the patient encounter throughout their time in the emergency department. So we write down why the patient is here, what symptoms they're having. We keep track of their labs, imaging, their disposition. So if they're going to go home, stay in the hospital, or transfer, or what. So basically we chart. So yeah, I've been doing it for about a month now. I really like it. The hospital I'm at is everyone there is pretty nice for the most part. Like, everyone's friendly and whatever. So it's been interesting to be doing that and not have to, not thinking about school at this moment, or like taking current classes or anything like that. It's just different. But I enjoy it. I'm not against working, I guess. And I always think it's interesting when people wear makeup to work. Like, man, you have on a full face in the ER. Why? Like, I don't know. I know at work I get so oily. Like, I guess just moving and running around all day long. So I just can't imagine having a full face on while working. I'm still trying to make friends, I guess, at work. And some people are interesting. Some people will talk to you because I'm the new person there or whatever. So everybody knows that. So they'll chat with you and, ask you how you're doing, if you need help or anything. Some people are really, really helpful. And then there are others who just aren't that friendly. Like, maybe that's me too. Like, we just don't want to talk. And this is not even just our scribes, even just the regular hospital staff. Like, there are people I see all the time. We've had a few interactions, and I'm like, okay, you would think after that people will start saying hi, or but that's just me. I feel like if we say hi once, or if I smile at you, I'm gonna say hi again every time I see you after that, or try to build some type of relationship. Or maybe I should say camaraderie. Is that the right word? That's pretty. This is BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival. Something's in my eyeball. Today I plan on putting on some lashes. We'll see how that goes. I literally haven't worn lashes since the day I graduated. And that night I actually got stranded outside. We had a flat tire, and AAA didn't come till 3 hours later because it was raining so hard. It was a storm, and the city flooded basically. So we were literally just sitting in the truck in the storm, waiting for help because he had a flat and he couldn't change it himself. So that's the last time I wore a lash. Oh gosh. How do you make friends, guys? How do you make friends? Can somebody please? It's hard. And I feel like in school it was easy because you have the same classes with people. you know, you're in the clubs, you can hang out or whatever. But like when you're not in school, how do you strike up conversation? Like, I don't know. I feel like I should give it some time. I feel like if I give it time, then eventually I'll make some friends at work. And there's some folks, and like I said a little bit earlier, some folks now who, you know, we're friendly with each other. We talk, all that stuff. And I enjoy when I have shifts with them because they make the shift less, just better to cope with, I guess, or, Okay, I'm going to try to put on some lashes. These are from the Lash Club, a new business my friend just started. I think these are the style Pud, I think. So these are the lashes, super pretty. This one looks like that because I tried to put it on one day in the car and actually couldn't do it, go figure. So I'm gonna shut up now and put these lashes on and come back and talk. Okay, I'm back and I just realized that I had the same outfit on in my last vlog. But oh well, I'm halfway through and I'm not going to change my clothes. I'm not going to restart, so oh well, she repeats outfits. Sue me, whatever. I finally got my lashes on. I think they're not perfect, so I'm not going to come in too close, but I think they're cute. I don't know why my forehead looks like that. I think I just have some discoloration, but I promise you my foundation is blended in. So after all that, I'm finally going to go ahead and put on concealer. Goodness, after all that. And I've been seeing a lot of people starting grad school, professional school, moving, whatever have you. And I'm super happy for everybody. I'm super excited for my classmates that started med school, law school, public health school, whatever they are doing. I'm super excited for them. And what I've been realizing as of late is that you can indeed like be happy and excited and proud of somebody without comparing yourself to them, you know? Like, again, I went to Xavier in New Orleans and most people there wanted to go to med school. So a lot of people on my timeline are starting school or doing that or whatever, and I'm so excited for them. I'm so happy for them because that's what they really want to do with their lives. So I'm really excited that their dreams are coming true. At the same time, I don't have to compare myself and be like, oh, I wish I was doing that, or I should be doing this, or I could have, you know, because everybody's journey is their own. How things work out for one person isn't how it's going to work out for the next person, and vice versa. And I just think that's really important to keep in mind and remember, especially if you're not going back to school right now or ever again. Like, you have your bachelor's and you're cool with just that and you're fine. You want to work and that's it, do that. If you want to take some time to do whatever you want to do, travel the world and then go to school later, do that too. You're like, I want to go see the world. I wish I could do that right now, but I can't for other reasons, mostly funds. But I think the main takeaway is that, you know, not to compare yourself to others and their journey, because what's for you is for you and nobody can take that away from you. And when it's your time to do whatever it is that you want to do, it's going to happen and you're going to feel so great, and you're going to want people to be genuinely excited for you, as you should be for them. Trying something new. I bought Sasha Buttercup compact powder because, again, I've been doing makeup on the road. Well, like, not like me doing people makeup, but like me in the car doing makeup. So this is what it looks like. And I found that it's easier to carry this around versus this. And also when I go out and I get oily again, I want to have something I can just, like, you know, pat and just touch up. So I didn't feel like buying the loose powder. So I just do the same concept basically, and I put it on my nose too. This is where I get oily the most, right on my nose. I get in these creases right here, I get super oily. Sometimes I put some on my forehead, but I don't like how this video is coming out. Well, like, not the video itself, but like my forehead looks crazy. Same sponge I would use with my other powder. Alright guys, this is the final look. Very everyday, kind of, could be glam if you put on some lipstick or whatever have you, but just something real chill, something super easy. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and enjoyed chit-chatting with me today. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, share with a friend, and stay tuned for the next video. Was that ugly?